This video will demonstrate how to install a see-through conversion kit on a Napoleon Galaxy outdoor gas fireplace. To begin, remove the screws along the top and back of the appliance. This will allow you to remove the back panel so you can gain access to the interior panel. Locate the screws on this interior panel and remove them. Once the screws are removed, the panel can then be removed by pivoting the back outward and lifting it up and out of place. The back panel and interior panel can then be discarded. Next, remove the screws on both sides of the appliance which are securing the outer shell top in place, and the remaining screws along the top. Once removed, lift the outer shell top by the standoffs to remove it from the appliance. Locate the top frame and identify the flange on the bottom and the flange on the outer edge of the appliance. Install the top frame with the top frame flange over the appliance and secure it on either side through the inside-facing flanges with the screws provided. Now replace the outer shell top and re-secure it with the previously removed screws. Locate the standoffs and bend the middle and end tabs into the correct shape. Then secure them to the appliance using the supplied screws. Next, locate the glass brackets and install them on both sides of the firebox with the screws provided. Do not install the glass until the appliance is fully installed to prevent damage. Locate the bottom trim and the outward-facing flange along the bottom. This is where the LED strip will be installed. Identify the back of the LED strip, which hosts a dark line at the end cap. Remove the backing and apply it to the outward-facing flange of the bottom trim. Be mindful of the location of the LED strip, as its orientation on the flange is critical. The connection end of the LED strip should be placed opposite to the cutout in the flange. To retain the LED strip in place, bend the securing tabs on the bottom upward. Now locate the bottom frame and place it with the notches facing downward. Install the trim with the LED strip onto the bottom frame, ensuring the LED strip is facing the side with the flanges. This can be identified and placed correctly using the notch on the trim. Next, locate the LED connection wire on the bottom left-hand side of the fireplace. Connect it to the LED strip by aligning the arrows on the quick connect, pushing them together, and securing them in place with the threaded connection. Once connected, tuck the LED strip connections out of the way and place the bottom frame assembly. Secure it to the fireplace through the holes on either side. Lastly, locate the top trim and the two side trims. Place the top trim in the fireplace with the rib along the outer edge of the opening. Align the holes in the top of the firebox and secure it in place with the pan head screws provided. To install the side trim pieces, remove the existing screws on either side of the opening and use them to secure the side trim in place. The Galaxy has now been correctly converted to a see-through appliance. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.